So in my last video, which I titled it how to intercept traffic using burpsuite, someone contacted me in my DM and asked me to make a video on how to install burpsuite because he has been having challenges installing burpsuite. So in this video, we are going to go step by step on how to install burpsuite in our Kali machine. So the first thing we are going to do is to come into our terminal and we run this command sudo apt -get update, sudo apt -get update, and then we are going to make another comparison from here, and then we give another command here sudo apt -get upgrade. So we are going to give two commands here, sudo atp .get update, and then we will then get this command again, two commands at once. So from here we are going to hit enter and we are providing our Kali password. So the update has started and the upgrade has started. This will take a while, so I'm going to fast forward this video after the installation and the upgrade is finished. So now that the upgrade is finished, we go into our terminal and we're going to type burpsuite and we hit enter. So after that, come here and check this check mark and click OK. So after the necessary checkup, burpsuite is finally out. Then you come here and click this check mark and then you go ahead and click next. Check this place and click startup burpsuite. So the startup process is now completed and our burpsuite is ready to launch. So the first thing we are going to do is to come to this proxy tab and then click on the proxy tab. So make sure it's selected. So from here, the first thing we are going to do is to come to this proxy setting, click on it to check the interface, the network interface in which our burpsuite is running. In this case, look at the interface 127, I need to say, .0.0.1, and it is running at port 80. So this is a very good information to start with. So we are going straight to open our browser in our Kali, and in this case Firefox is the default browser. So I'm going to open Firefox so that we go ahead to install and configure our burpsuite. So once our browser is up and running, we are going to go on the search bar and we are going to type Foxy proxy. So type Foxy proxy on the address bar and hit enter. So what we are trying to do is to configure a proxy or an extension that will handle our request. So in this case, we are coming to the third option, which says Foxy proxy standard -get this extension for Firefox in English. So click on this link. So go straight and look for this one, an extension that says Foxy proxy standard by Eric John Erasmus. So look for this one, make sure it's this one, and then here you will see add to extension here. For me, I have already added it to my extension. That is why it is showing remove. So I don't want to remove it, but for you, you will see an add extension here. Click on it to add for extension. You will see another small pop-up message here that say add, and then you click on it, you add. So after that, you will go to this tab, click on it, then you will see your extension after you have added it to your extension. So look at me here, my own is here, Foxy proxy, open extension. So this is where you find your extension. So once you are at this point, click on this extension and another pop-up will come. After the pop-up will open, go to this option tab and then click on option. Another window will pop up and go to this proxies tab and click on proxies. Look at this place, you can click on this add. For me, I have already added this extension. Look at it here, I call it burp. But for you, go to this add button, click on it. Here you can give it any name you want to give it that can make you remember it. You can call it burpsuite or burp or whatever you want to call it. So you can call it burp. Come here to this host name and then type that interface you saw at the other time. Look at this interface 197.0.0.1 at port 80. So go back to our proxy and here type 127.0.0.1. So at this port section, just type 80, 80, 80, 80, and then click on save. You can go ahead to customize it, maybe by changing the color of your bulb suit. You click here, select all the necessary colors you want. For me, I want to select this orange because orange is a color of bulb suit, and I will select it. So the next thing we are going to do is to go to this home button, click on it, click on setting, scroll down towards the end of this page, and you will see network setting. Click on setting beside it. So now we are going to configure it manually. If you are doing it for the first time, your configuration should be on auto detect proxy. So select manual proxy configuration. So from here, also type the same thing you typed there, 127.0.0.1, and here type 8080 on this port. After you finish it, click on OK. So the last step we are going to do is to then get our CA certificate. So open a new tab, go on the address bar and type http:// and then type burpsuite or Bob. So I'm going to tap burpsuite and click hit OK or hit enter on the keyboard. So here we are on our burpsuite community edition page. So look at this CA certificate at the right hand corner of this window. Click on certificate and the certificate will be automatically downloaded. So the certificate has downloaded. Look at it here. So we are now going to configure or to bring our certificate into our setting. So the first thing we are going to do is to click on this folder icon to check the folder in which it is stored into. So very clear, look at the one we have downloaded. It is now in our downloads folder. So let's close this window and go back. So on this point, go to this home browser icon and click on it. Then go down towards the end and you see setting. Click on setting. Then on this search box here, just type CERT. Then you will see the certificate that we have just downloaded. Look at the certificate here. Click on it and this place will pop up. So we are going to click on this certificate, and this is the certificate you have sent. So click on import and OK. Again, you will see the certificate here. Select the certificate and then click open from the down screen of your screen or on the up screen of your screen here. You can find it here or down somewhere here. So click on open and then you will have a pop-up message, something like this, that your certificate has been installed successfully. For me, I have already installed it. That is why it's showing this certificate is already installed as a certificate authority. For you, it will tell you certificate installed successfully. So this is how to install burpsuite on a Kali machine. If you have watched this video to this point, it therefore means that you are interested in learning cybersecurity and ethical hacking, and I will urge you to please give me a share, just one share. See you in my next video.